afternoon, everyone. And thank you to Madam Elaine Pipino to be part of this event. And I would like to say hello to everyone. I would like to know who are the DXN members here?
Here!
Only few?
DXN member! Oh.
By the way, I'm Seti Alang Pagayo. I created DXN OFW Malaysia to encourage to all my fellow Filipino community here in Malaysia to have or to create their own business while they're working. So I would like to introduce you to those who doesn't know about DXN. DXN is actually a multi-level marketing, but the main line is from Malaysia. And we also have DXN in Philippines, which is 25 years. And in Malaysia, we are now 32 years. Actually, DXN promotes health, wealth, and happiness. By the way, I am here today to encourage to all my Filipino fellow, to those who want to change their life for better. This is a good opportunity for you to create or to start your own business that you can do it anywhere. Because DXN now, we are now more than 200 countries worldwide. So as you can see, our DXN products, we have beverage, which is coffee, that most of the people like to drink. So it's a very good opportunity for everyone to start their own business everywhere around the world. Actually, I am doing DXN business just for me an extra part-time. Today actually is my off day, but I am here selling coffee. Why am I here? Selling coffee, right?
Yes!
So, who is earning?
You!
Me, right? So everyone can also do the same thing what I'm doing right now. So for you, let's say, once you go back to Philippines, sorry, magtagalog-galog po ako. Sa lahat po ng ating mga kababayan dito sa Malaysia, it's a good opportunity po sa atin na matuto tayo mag-create ng business habang tayo ay nagtatrabaho. So while tayo ay may sinasahod, at the same time, meron din po tayong extra income. Actually, sa DXN, pwede kang kumikita while using our health supplement, coffee, personal care, cosmetics products, sa mga gusto pong magpaganda, sa mga sino po yung may mga karamdaman, sa mga mahilig magkape, we have so many products po. So, I would like to know, sino po dito yung hindi pa po member? Sino po dito yung hindi pa po DXN member? Yung hindi pa po DXN member? Oh, user ka lang. Okay, I would like to ask anyone here, DXN member, what exactly you know about DXN? Ano po talaga ang alam niyo about DXN? Hello? Sa mga nakakaalam about DXN, what exactly you know about DXN? It's not just a drinking coffee, you know? This is a lifetime opportunity for you na pwede mong maipamana sa inyong family. I will give give you an example. Ako ngayon, kumikita sa DSN. If ever na may mangyari sa akin, yung kinikita ko every month, mapupunta ko yun sa family ko, sa beneficiary ko. So, ganun po ang DSN. Hindi lang po siya iinom ka ng kape or taking a supplement. This is a lifetime opportunity. So, sa DHA po, pwede po kayong mag-register through online, and it's a very affordable registration packages. So, sa mga gusto po, sa mga interesado po malaman about DHA, punta lang po kayo dyan sa likod. Sa mga gusto pong magpa-member, pwede po kayo magpa-member online. It's a free registration online. And sa mga gusto pong, sa mga mahilig pong mag-business, join with me to have a better future. And I think that's all. Kasi parang nakikita ko is, actually sa iba kasi, pag inaalok mo sila ng business, takot na sila. Let's say, I will give an example sa mga mag-a-apply ng trabaho at sa mga business opportunity. Mostly, ang mga tao pumipila doon sa job opportunities, hindi sa business opportunities. Kasi usually, ang iba kasi ang alam nila, ang trabaho lang. Dahil sumasahod sila every month. Pero kapag kayo po ay nagtatrabaho, meron po kayong boss. Pero pag meron kayong sariling business, you are the boss of your own business. Kumpara sa ikaw naghihintay lang ng sahod mo every month. Na sumusunod ka lang sa utos ng boss mo. So alin ko doon ang gusto ninyo? Yung susunod kayo sa boss ninyo or magiging boss kayo ng business ninyo? Alin doon ang gusto ninyo?
Siyempre, magiging boss.
Alin doon?
Be a boss.
Yes. So this is how in DXN, you are the boss on your own business. Walang magmamando sa'yo. You can do anything the way you want it. If you want to change your life, you have to work hard. And the most important thing is mindset.
Yes.
So, yun lang po. Sana po, this small sharing ay may tulong ko po sa inyo for you to start your own business. And that's all. And thank you.